And then, so all together is 70%. And after that, we have reading. This is writing. And we have another one is reading for 30%. So all together is 100%. If you get 60, when you get 60, you will pass, okay? Not pass, everyone pass. I mean like you will, how to say, you will understand a little bit more than other people. So make sure you answer every question. And also calm down, you don't need to be rushed. Just slow, write it slow, think it again and again. If you don't know the first question, skip to the next question. Okay, you got it what I said? Do you understand what I said? Okay. There is anything that you have question? Do you have question before we start the exam?